everyone, welcome to my channel Cozy Loop Crochet. Today's project we're going to be making a pillow cover waffle stitch, and I have made already one in here to show you, so I'm going to be doing a second one together. And for the yarn that I have used for this one is Caron Yarn Inspirations Caron 1 pound, which is 16 ounces, and I have this much left, which is like 1/3 of it is left. So for the second pillow cover that I'm gonna be making, I have used the same yarn, which is the Yarn Inspirations Caron Jumbo Ombre. It's 12 ounces, which I think is good enough for that size that I showed you. Its weight is 4 medium, and for the hook size 5 millimeter or H size, I'm gonna use that. And also we need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle to hide the yarn at the end. So let's start doing this project. For this project I'm gonna do 50 chains. So to start the chain, I'm gonna do a slip knot in here. This is how I do my slip knot, and I'm gonna start the chains. So let's do 50 chains. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 50 chains right here. So for the first row, I'm gonna do double crochet, not from the very first chain. On the second chain, just do yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, yarn over again, pull up the yarn and yarn over, pull the yarn over 2 loops, yarn over, and pull it through the second 2 loops. So I'm gonna do one more, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull the yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull it through the second 2 loops. So one more, so I'm going to continue until I get to the end, and I'll be back. Row 1 is complete. This is a double crochet, and here this is my last one, and I did 1 chain. Let's undo that. Okay, this is the last double crochet, and I'm gonna do 1 chain and turn. And then on the very first one, I'm gonna do 1 regular double crochet. So this is 1 double crochet. And then on the second one, I'm gonna do front post double crochet. If you can notice, these are all the posts in here from the previous row. So I'm gonna do 1 front post on this. So it's yarn over, and then you're gonna go underneath this post, and from the other side, yarn over again and pull up the yarn, and then the rest of it is like regular double crochet. So this is called front post double crochet. After that, we're gonna do 2 regular double crochet. So this is the next chain, regular double crochet, another one next to it, regular double crochet, and the next one we're gonna do front post double crochet again. So pull the yarn over, and then go underneath the post, and from there pull the yarn and the rest of it is regular double crochet. So this is another front post, and then again we're gonna do 2 regular double crochets on the next 2 chains, 1 and 2, and then next one again on this post, front post double crochet right in here, pull the yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and then again 2 regular. So we're gonna have 2 regular double crochets, 2 chains and 2 chains, and then the third one we're gonna do front post double crochet. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more. So this one is the next one. Okay, we continue doing that. So 2 regular double crochet and 1 front post to the end of this row. I'm getting to the end. I just want to show you how it looks like. So right now I did 1 front post double crochet, and I'm gonna do 2 regular double crochets, one and 2, second one, and I have 1 front post double crochet in here left. I'm gonna do that front post, and this last chain, it will be regular double crochet. And then I'm gonna do 1 chain and turn. So for row 3, I'm gonna do, this is the regular, as you can see, this is a regular double crochet, and these 2 are gonna be again front post double crochet. So right here I have 2 regular, for the beginning I have 2 regular double crochets. This is 1 and this is 2 regular double crochets, and now we're gonna do 2 front post double crochets. One and 2, and then after this we're gonna have 1 regular double crochet. This is 1 regular, and then again 2 front post double crochets. So let's do a regular double crochet in here, and then I'm gonna do 2 front post. So for row 3, let me get some yarn. For row 3, we're gonna do 2 front posts right here. I want to show you, and then 1 regular double crochet. So let's do that to the end, and I'll be back. Okay, I got to the end of this row. I have 2 chains left, and I'm gonna do this regular 2 double crochets. Okay, and then 1 chain and turn, and as you can see, it's forming these little waffles in here. And for this row, for the beginning, I'm gonna do just regular regular double crochets, 1 regular double crochet, and the next one is the front post double crochets. So we are alternating row 2 and 3, and we keep doing one on this row. We're gonna do 1 front post double crochet and 2 regular crochets, 1 front post, 2 regular, and then on the other side of it we're gonna do 2 front posts and 1 regular double crochets. So if I do a few more, you're gonna see how everything is shaping up. Okay, I did a few and you can see how it's shaping up, and we're gonna continue doing this. I didn't count how many rows, but I measured it's like 15 by 15 inches, and depending on your of course your yarn and your hook size, you can just measure it the size that you would like to do. So let's continue on this until I'm finished with the one side. Okay, I'm done with one of these parts. We're gonna make 2 of the same. So I ended up doing 15 of these little squares, which is 30 rows altogether. So I'm here right at the end, and I'm gonna do a single crochet all around the edges. So 4 edges for this square, I'm gonna do single crochet all around, and just be careful to do this side evenly. And this is how I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just show you 1 or 2 in here, and then you can do the rest of it yourself, because we don't want this video to be very long and boring. So as I said, let's do single crochet all around, and I will be back, and I'm gonna also start doing the second part, and then I'm gonna show you how to attach these together. I'm finished with both parts, 2 parts, identical parts, and I'm ready to connect them together, to sew them together. So these face, the good face is up, if you can call it good face, and this is the other part. So this is how I'm gonna bring it together. And here I'm gonna do single crochet all around, and this is how I did it on the other piece. If you can see it, it's gonna look like this. Single crochet. So let's do that. I have a little bit of yarn left over, so I would say for 1 pillow cover for these 2, it was 12 ounces of yarn. So now I'm ready to do single crochet all around here. So I'm gonna bring the yarn over onto this side and do 1 chain, and then here just get the chain from one side, both front loop and back loop, and on the other side too. So this is bringing the yarn over and do 1 single crochet. So this is again 1 chain from one side and the other from the other side, and pull the yarn over, pull the yarn over again, and pull it through 2 loops. and one by one we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this on three sides, of this, and we're gonna leave one side open for putting the filling in, or if you have a pillow to put the pillow in. And I'm gonna do that and come back to show you the final product. This is the final product. As I mentioned, I did the three sides first with single crochet, left this one open, this side, and I filled it up. I closed it with single crochet, and I'm gonna hide the yarn later on. And here it is. Let me show you the other side. And I think it looks good. And please, if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe. And I will put more video tutorials in the future. And thank you for watching.